Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to use SplitCam with WhatsApp. First open your browser and search for SplitCam. Go to the official website and download the software. Once the download is complete, open the file and install it on your PC. After the installation finishes, click close and SplitCam will launch automatically. Now I will add a color effect so you can clearly see that it's working. After that, I will open WhatsApp and start a video call. When the call starts, you will notice that your default camera is connected. To change it, go to the camera selection and choose Split Cam. As you can see, it's working perfectly now. You can also switch between your cameras directly inside WhatsApp anytime you want. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe.